Hey, this is Amir here from Captain AMZ. Today I am going to share you how to exempt the danger goods certificate. You just need to write the danger goods in search bar of Amazon Seller Center dashboard. A new window will come here. You just need to click the danger goods or submit an exemption sheet or SDS sheet. Here you will see the manager danger goods certificates or danger goods about the battery. There are two types of the battery exemption downloads. One, if your product has a battery related to powder, then you need to download the first link. If the battery of your product has a chemical specification, then you need to download the second link. As in our scenario, the our product is battery powder, then we just download the file. Once they download the file, you will see here there are some red columns here, like you need to fulfill these columns like first name, second name, last name, product title, ASIN, and what is the box in this sheet. You need to fill the required documents or the column that are in already read, the ASIN as well as the product title and what is in the box. In our scenario, if we are selling a car vacuum cleaner, then we are going to add all of the parts that we are giving to the customer, like long flat nozzle as well as auxiliary joints and the brushes that we are giving to our customer with our package. And the next is the R battery sold with the product or in the product. Yes, this is the thing. If our product or if the battery are sold with the product, then we are yes, we are giving a battery in our product. And the next is the chemical composition. In chemical composition column, we need to add the specification or the feature of the battery, that if your battery, what type of the battery, yes, what type the battery, if your product, the battery of your product is related leon, nickel, or anything that you will see the led, cadmium, or nickel, silver, cadmium. These are requirement of battery. You will see or you will check with the supplier. In our case, our battery is related to 18650 battery package. If our battery in equipment, yes, our battery in our packaging as well as the number of cells. If your cells are, if the battery of cells like 200 to 100, then we will click to number of cells. What type of the watt hours, the watt hours you will see your, you will contact to your supplier. The watt hours, the supplier will provide you the watt hours, how many watt hours you are going to give you. In our case, the watt hour is 7.4, that is below 100. As we uploaded watt hours, our flat file becomes completed. Once the sheet becomes completed, then you will need to save it into our desktop, that you will need to add into the Amazon Seller Center. For this, you need to upload the document. First you need to upload the ASIN as well as the file, and then upload it. After 24 hours and 2 to 3 business hours, your exemption will be accepted or rejected. The status of your exemption SGS sheet will pop up here. So I hope so you will like our videos. Please follow for more and subscribe our channel for more.